Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today's topic is about computer vision in deep learning. Let's see what is computer vision. Computer vision is the process of computer system and robots responding to the visual inputs, most commonly images and the videos. I have question that if I ask you to name the objects in the picture below, you would probably come with a list of words such as tablecloth, basket, grass, boy, girl, man, woman, orange juice bottle, etc. And without thinking. Now I told you to describe the picture, you would probably say that it is a picture of a family picnic. Again, without giving a second thought. These two are very easy tasks that any people with below average intelligence and above the age of 6 or 7 can say. So, however, in the background, a very complicated process takes place. Human vision is a very interactive piece of organic technology that involves our eyes and visual context, models of objects, understanding of concepts, and our personal experience through billions of interactions we have made with the world in our life. Computer vision can also detect and measure the differences between colors with very high accuracy. But making sense of the content of these images is a problem that computer have been struggling. To a computer, the picture is an array of pixels or a numerical value that represent colors, enabling computer to identify the process objects in image and videos in the same way the human can do. Let us see what is a computer vision using deep learning. So deep learning relies on neural network, which you provide a neural network with many labeled examples of a specific kind of data that it will be able to extract a common patterns and transforms into a mathematical equation that will helps classifying future information. For example, creating a facial recognition application with deep learning, developers can developers or can choose a pre-constructed algorithm and train it with examples of face of of a people, and it must detect the neural network which will be able to detect the faces without feature instructions on features or measurements. So deep learning is a very effective method to do computer vision. In most cases, creating a good deep learning algorithms comes with a large amount of label training data and tuning a parameter such as the type and number of layers of neural networks and training approaches. Compared to machine learning, deep learning is both easier and faster to develop and deploy. How computer vision works. Computer vision algorithms that we use today are based on pattern recognition. So we train computers on a massive amount of visual data and find patterns of those images. For example, if you send a million images of flowers, the computer will analyze them, identify patterns to a similar to all flowers, and at the end of this process, we will create the model as a flower. As a result, the computer will be able to accurately detect whether a particular image is a flower every time we send them pictures. Applications of computer vision. So these are the applications of computer vision. There's self-driven cars, face detection and recognition, medical field, and internet. Computer vision applications such as cancer detection, which is used in medical field, self-driving cars and facial recognition, and this all comes with a deep learning techniques. Let's see about self-driven cars. Computer vision enables self-driven cars to make sense of their surroundings. Cameras capture videos from different angles around the car and feed it to the computer vision software, which then process the images in the real time to fix the extremities of roads and read traffic signals and detect other cars, objects, and pedestrians while walking in the roads. And this is the image of self-driven cars. Face detection and recognition. Face detection and recognition. It is one of the main technology that enables the digital world to interact with the physical world. Computer vision also plays an important role in facial recognition application. The technology that enables computer to match images of people's face to their identities. Computer vision algorithm detects facial features in images and compare them with the database of face profile. Let's take an example. Employee devices in a company's employee devices, we use facial recognition to authenticate the identity of its owner. So social media apps also using facial recognition that detects and tag the users. Computer vision has also been an important part in health technology. Computer vision algorithm can help to detect cancer moles in skin images or finding symptoms in x-rays or MRI scans. In this case, we are using the computer vision in healthcare centers. And online photo libraries like Google Photos uses computer vision to detect object and automatically classify your images by the type of content they contain. Example, if you are using a Google Photos, so if a group of images like belongs to flower, and based on if you are there, they will be categorized as a flower group, flower images. Automatically they classify your images as a flower, like that. So this can save over time. Otherwise we can spend a by adding a lot of tags and describing to your pictures. In this way, um, we are using the computer vision in your internet. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the more updates, and thank you.